when we went to Barnes, we went to see the Barnes. That's another place. Last time where did he want? He went to a yeah. Right. It was a blunder because he said to me. Yeah, it was after he said to me. Because then he said to me, it was like, on the way back, you flew one day, he said to me, you're in Chicago after that. He said, well, that's absolutely yeah. Yeah.
Oh, just the end.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, he's going now.